Welcome to this video. Today I'm going to walk you through and show you how to allow apps to install from anywhere here in macOS, and I am doing this on macOS Sequoia. To open up this window, you'll just click on the Apple icon in the top left and go down to System Settings, and then scroll down the left-hand column down to Privacy and Security. Click on that, and then scroll all the way to the bottom. And you'll notice right here, allow applications from, and then if you click on this, you'll only have two options, App Store or App Store and known developers. Now there is a third hidden option, but I do want to say right here, right now, if you enable this third option, you do it at your own risk. The responsibility will now 100% be on you to make sure that you do not install anything malicious. To proceed, click on the magnifying glass in the top right, search for terminal and open it. You'll need to type in the following command, and I'll also list this down in the notes down in the video description. The command is sudo space spctl space -- master - disable. Hit enter. It will ask for your password. This is the computer password that you type in when you first log into your Mac. You'll want to type it in and it will appear as if it's not typing. That's normal. Just type it in and hit enter. If you did it correctly, you'll get a message like this. And if we come to the menu, you'll notice the option's not there. Just leave this menu for just a moment, come back, scroll back down, and now we have the option for anywhere. That is everything for this video, but if you do have any comments or questions, please post them down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please consider sharing it. And if you would like to support the channel, go ahead and hit that join button, the subscribe button, the thanks button, or that bell notification icon to get notifications on future videos. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you have a great day.